A little bit more animal spirit medicine. Today, the elk. Stable, resilient, headstrong, the father. The great elk represents the earth element and in its masculine form. This means it provides underlying support and stability amidst life's many challenges and changes. The elk personality, whether male or female, is fully established in themselves and knows their core values. They become known and respected for acting in ways that uphold those values. Sometimes the elk's ego can become inflated when they're wanting to breed. Good. Sometimes the elk's ego can be inflated, but for the most part, they make damn good fathers, mothers, lovers, and friends. The world needs more elk energy, and I couldn't agree more. When in balance, supportive, kind, and consistent. To bring your inner elk wisdom on, eat and drink more consciously. Yeah. May we all be a good role model in that.